blood sugar problems, pre-diabetic, type 1, type 2, and how to attend to it when it comes to natural healing. So first, let's go through a few points. There's no other food on the planet or other sugars on the planet like fructose present in your fruits, which does not require the use of insulin. And when you have blood sugar problems, you have basically an insulin problem. So it only makes natural common sense that you will not want to eat foods that are requiring insulin on a regular basis. You want foods that don't require insulin to give your pancreas a break. And at the same time, the fruits are the only foods that are going to allow you to break the mucus or strengthen the mucus or remove the acids and toxins affecting the function of your pancreas, your adrenal glands, your nervous system, your liver, and your bowels. These are the primary areas that get affected, that tend to affect your blood sugar issues, meaning that once they're compromised, you're likely to have a blood sugar problem. Sugar problems are caused by inflammation, systemic inflammation, which is tied to your lymphatic system, the great immune system, and your kidney filtration. So whenever you're addressing any kind of blood sugar problem, you should always be addressing your bowels, your liver, your pancreas, your adrenal glands, and the nervous system. Why the nervous system? Because remember, the nervous system will give commands for your pancreas to produce insulin. So if you have poor connection of the nerves, you're not going to have good function of the pancreas. Adrenal glands and pancreas are the primary glands responsible for your blood sugar problems, so they need to be addressed with the herbs. Herbs like goat rue have been shown to help the pancreas regenerate, as well as herbs for the adrenal glands like rhodiola, ashwagandha can strengthen the adrenal glands. Poor sugar metabolism is due to weak adrenal glands. We need to strengthen those, strengthen the pancreas, strengthen the liver and the bowels. They have a part to play in the blood sugar problems. But more importantly, strengthen the lymphatic system and strengthen the kidneys. So we need herbs for all those areas. Everything is lymphatics. Every single cell in your body is lymphatic, has lymphatic fluid in there. And when it's compromised, you have an issue in the function of those glands, organs, etc. So clean up the lymphatic system. I would use a low glycemic fruit diet. You want to make sure that is low glycemic initially, but please pay attention because your blood sugar is going to rise in a day or two, and it's going to drop, and you're not expected. So if you're on a medication, you need to monitor your blood sugar every hour or two, initially stages. When the sugar balances out with the fruit only cleanse, remember it's fruit only, not fruits and you will see that it stabilizes. Okay, you also want to make use of a blood sugar tea. The blood sugar tea has herbs in there that's going to stabilize your blood sugar. Use it 3 to 4 times a day, okay, until your sugar stabilizes.